Welcome, and thank you for participating in our hospitality personnel training. This training is focused on improving communication between hospitality personnel and persons with aphasia. You may be asking the question, what is aphasia? Aphasia is a language disorder caused by damage to the left hemisphere of a person's brain. This can result from a stroke, traumatic brain injury, or other etiology. Aphasia affects a person's ability to read, write, speak, and understand language. However, a common misconception that people have is that it affects a person's intelligence. But please understand that aphasia does not affect the person's intelligence, only their ability to communicate. Now here are some tips for communicating with someone who has aphasia. When speaking to someone with aphasia, it is extremely important to get the attention of the listener before you begin to speak to them. You should always keep your speaking volume at a normal level. When you understand what the person is trying to communicate, be sure to confirm your answer with yes and no questions. Avoid complex phrases and instead paraphrase in simple terms that are easier to understand. Try using gestures, objects, or pictures to help with the person's understanding. But most importantly, always remember that you are speaking with an adult. Now here are a few tips when listening to someone with aphasia. Always clarify when you understand. Provide opportunities for written and verbal communication. When you do not understand, ask for repetition or for them to rephrase. The most important things to gather from this training is that you should always try to minimize distractions, communicate with gestures, maintain eye contact, be patient and give time for response, and encourage independence, meaning ask questions to them, not their caregiver or persons with them. Thank you for participating in this training to improve communications between hospitality personnel and persons with aphasia.